Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful but often confusing features in JavaScript: closures. We'll keep things super simple. I'll walk you through a beginner-friendly explanation, then show you a practical example so it all clicks. Let's get started. So what exactly is a closure? In simple terms, a closure is when a function remembers the variables from its outer function even after that outer function has finished running. In JavaScript, closures are created automatically. You don't have to do anything special to make them work. Let's look at a simple example. Here's what's happening. We define a function called outer function. Inside it, we create a variable named count and set it to 0. Then we define another function inside it called inner function, which increments count and logs it to the console. We return inner function from outer function. When we call outer function, it gives us back inner function, which we save in a variable called counter. Now, every time we call counter, it still has access to the count variable even though outer function has already finished running. That's a closure. The inner function closes over the count variable and keeps it alive. Now let's look at a real-world example where closures are genuinely useful for creating private variables. In this example, we'll have a function called createCounter. Inside it, we declare a variable count. Then we return an object with two methods, increment and decrement. Both functions can access and modify count, but from outside, we can't access count directly. If we try to log counter.count, we get undefined. That's because count is private. It's only accessible to the functions we returned. This is possible because of closures. Closures allow us to protect data and expose only what we want to expose. Let's summarize. A closure is created when a function remembers variables from the outer scope it was defined in. Closures allow us to maintain state, protect variables, and write more modular code. They're super useful for things like counters, callbacks, event handlers, and more. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly JavaScript tutorials. And if you have any questions about closures, drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.